Hello, my name is Peter McKenna. I'm Chef Ambassador for Maple from Canada, and today I'm cooking some fantastic maple glazed Scottish lobster. This is one of my favorite dishes, but with a dish like this with so few ingredients, you've got to get the best. You know, you want that creel caught lobster from the cold waters of Scotland, you want really good Scotch whiskey, and let's face it, you want the best maple syrup. You get the maple from Canada, and the maple vinegar tops it all off beautifully. So first, get your butter, put it into a pan on a moderate heat. You're going to bring it up to the boil. You don't want to boil it for too long, but you do want to start it to boil so then you can take off all those milk solids. That's starting the clarification process. Once your butter's bubbling away and you've skimmed it, turn it down quite a low heat and let it bubble away until you see it really becoming clear. You'll be able to smell the smoke of it. It'll be fantastic. Next, get your maple syrup and bring it up to the boil. You're going to reduce it by about half. And when I say about, you have to do it to taste. Everything, you've got to taste it the whole way through. When you've reduced it enough, you've got the required sweetness, then you're going to add your maple vinegar. Bring it back to the boil and you're going to reduce it down till you get the perfect balance. You want that sweet and sour note. When you're boiling down your maple, just keep an eye on it. You don't want to burn it. Once you've got the right balance, you're going to add your Scotch whiskey. For me at the moment, I love Bowmore. I'll add some of this and I'll do it to taste. I'll go back and taste it again. It's no great hardship, is it? So now for your lobster, make sure you kill your lobster in a humane fashion. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, bring it to your fishmonger. But if you're doing it at home, I would recommend putting it in the freezer for about 5 minutes before the boiling water. We're only cooking it for a very short period of time. We're looking to set the proteins, so we're dropping it in for 3 minutes. After your 3 minutes, into your ice water, you want it to cool down rapidly. So now we've got our lobster. We've blanched it in the pot. I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to cut it in half, and we're going to get it ready for confit in the smoke butter. So we'll take the claws off. Like that. We got the knuckles there. And again. And then stretch it out. Tip of your knife into the back of the head. Straight through. Then you've got your beautiful lobster. And as you can see, it isn't fully cooked because we want to finish the cooking in a smoke butter. Clean out your lobster. You'll have the innards, the brains in there. You want to scoop that out, give it a wee wash. Once your lobster is clean, remove the flesh from the tail. Then crack your claws gently. You don't want to smash them into smithereens. Once you removed all the meat from the shell, put the shell away. You can use it for something else, make a nice stock, soup, or sauce. Now you're going to bring your clarified butter up to 50 degrees. Poach your lobster in the clarified butter. Poach it for 5 minutes. Give it a nice shake. Don't be scared. Constantly feel it. You don't want it to go tough. Take it out of the clarified butter. Cut it into small pieces and put it back into the shell. Once you put your lobster back in the shell, brush with that beautiful spicy maple glaze. Season with some salt. Put it into the oven just to warm through. Or if you've got a barbecue handy, stick it on top of your barbecue, get some extra smoke in there. Garnish with your sorrel and serve. And there you have it, maple glazed smoked Scottish lobster. For more maple-inspired recipes, go to Maple Canada UK on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Enjoy!